Deep central control screen suitable for 27th Toyota Hilux. It features a 12.3-inch screen with resolutions of 2400 by 996 and 8-core UIS 7870 processor, 8GB of grounding memories, and 256 GB of storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. Now, a wire set with 6 pieces for you. And look at the first one is the USB antenna, G antenna. This one is the Bluetooth rear view antenna and R4A 4G SIM slot cable, GPS antenna. This wire harness is the power cable. This one is the original USB adapter cable. This is the train panel for you. How to switch the UI street interface easily. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drop the car to transit position. Look at the three dot button here. You can see here and long press this icon and then drag it out. You can change the position freely as you like. How to change the content of the street car easily. Tap this icon, three dot button. You can see here a platform selection, tap key, and you can choose the apps you want. And the replacement has done successfully. And also how to drive the car to enlarge its size. You can see here. It's a button on the side and drag it out, and you can totally make the layout to its original size twice. How to change the car model easily. Long press the car model and then you can see there are so many different kinds of car model for you. Long press the menu and you can change the original themes or the interface directly. Here we have already 6 themes for you. You can choose one you like. Everyone here is special, and choose one and back, and you have already changed the interface themes. To customize and change the starter bar easily, long press any icon on the starter bar, and then you can see the plug, and then you can choose one you like, and the replacement is done successfully. Now let's see the menu. Tap the menu and you can see there are so many different kinds of app for you. Local, link, and internet. Look at the first part, local app. And here I will introduce the setting for you. Here you can see the wireless network, and you can connect your phone. After connect your phone, you can use the Wi-Fi. Here is the GPS info and the general for you, and also so many functions. And the factory with the password 3368. And go inside, you can see it here for you. And the wire setting and the protocol setting too. Also, so many different kinds of functions for you. And the display here, you can adjust the backlight brightness and the day or the night, and also custom adjustment and tuning for you. You can have a look. And also sound. Here you can adjust the sound mixing scale for you. App, you can see storage, and you can see how many free storages you had, and location, password, system. Here you can see the language and input. You can change the language by tap this, and then you can change the language and tap one more time. Now look at the equalizer. Here tap keys, and you can see DTFs, and here the equalizer for you, and you can change it into the style you want. And also sound field setting, 4 mode for you. Surround sound, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, pass-through, sound filtering. Let's look at the video player. Here you can watch the video here. It's very clear for you. Big screen. Tap this icon into the small window mode. Now let's look at the Bluetooth. Here, after connect phone, you can see your phone name here, and the BT phone for you, and the car record and from boot. Here you can download your contract. And this is the voice and BT sets. Not the calling. And then so you can see there are so many phone app in your central control screen. Let's look at the first one. It's the phone. and then music and map. It's very clear for you, and the message and also the safety. Here you can see the wallpaper, and you can change into the color you want and set and back. Here you're going to see here. This is the song player to the nap song and the private song. And look at the map. You can search for the destination, and then wait a minute, just go. And the direction is working out. Now look at the media here. Here you can see the music player, and on the right here is the playlist for you. And look at the radio. Here we have two options for you. FM and AM two options. You can choose one you like. And the Bluetooth music, but the connector from can hear the music here. And the online postcard. Here is the playlist for you, and you can listen to the radio here and the postcard here. Now look at the Play Store. Here you can see so many different console games here. You can download the game you're interested in, and look at the app. It's very beautiful and so many kinds. And here you can search for the apps you want to download. Look at the map here. You can see there are so many destinations for you: restaurant, hotel, shopping, anything you want here. And also you can tap P to search for the destination you want to go. Look at the YouTube. Here you can watch the video here. It's very different console. You can choose one you like, interesting, and also the short video for you. It's very smooth.